This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Ikea keeps releasing so many new products every single month. We've covered so many of them in my previous videos, but of course I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're going to some of the best new Ikea finds for April 2025. I'm On, this is Mars, thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I post every single Thursday. Now let's go! We're starting right off with the first new Ikea find I was so excited to see, and that is the LINDBYN Mirror. I mean, Ikea keeps following the latest interior design trends and keeps releasing budget products that look so good. And this mirror is a real proof of that. I mean, this full-length mirror costs only $70, yet has such a soft and elegant look, looking way more expensive. You can hang it on the wall or place it anchored on the floor, wherever you prefer. It comes in two color options, black and this gold one, and I honestly love both of them. Right from the start, 10 out of 10. Another new Ikea mirror this spring is this table mirror with integrated lighting that comes at $22.99. This one is such a practical find to have in your home. It's easy to place wherever you like since the mirror's lighting is battery operated and can be charged with a USB-C cable. You can switch between 3 color temperatures of light, and it makes shaving and putting on makeup easier since one of the mirrors magnifies 3 times. Such a practical find, loving it so much. And when we're talking about lights, Ikea has so many new lights this season, and one of my favorite ones for April 2025 is the NYMÅNE table lamp. This sturdy metal table lamp has such a minimalistic and timeless shape that suits many styles and places in your home. The frosted glass at the top and at the bottom of the shade nicely diffuses the light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Loving it so much. A new ceiling lamp at Ikea this month is this beautiful pendant lamp with 3 lamps. This neat pendant lamp offers lots of light and is perfect over a long table or a kitchen island. I just love the minimalistic vibes of this one, and I love the fact that you can adjust the length of the wires so it hangs straight and at the right height at all times. Another new, simple and budget light is this cute little ceiling lamp that comes at $9.99. This one is perfect for spaces where you need a lot of light, like the hallway, bathroom, or even the kitchen. You can even mount several in a row and they look amazing. A new chair at Ikea this spring is the VIHALS Chair. This chair is such a budget and affordable option. It comes at only $35, yet looks so minimal and so sleek. Whether you need it for the dining table or the office, it's the best option, offering good value with style, versatility, and lasting quality. The padded seat and back makes it comfy for everyday use, and the straightforward design will blend right into the space. It comes in 2 color options, gray and green, and I like both of them. A new shoe cabinet at Ikea this spring is the GULLABERG cabinet with 4 compartments. This narrow shoe cabinet can hold up to 8 pairs of shoes, yet is so sleek and narrow and can fit even the smallest spaces. What I love most about it is that it has 1 hook on each side, which is perfect for hanging jackets or bags to make the most out of your space. Plus, the wooden knobs enhance the genuine and traditional look, which I love so much. This one comes in 2 color options, white and gray, and in 2 different sizes with 2 or 4 compartments. Now, before we dive into our next new IKEA find, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the perfect platform for creating your dream website. What I'm absolutely loving about Squarespace right now is their print-on-demand feature. It's just such a genius solution for creators. You can design your own products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters, and Squarespace handles all the printing, shipping, and customer service. It's honestly amazing how easy they make it to start your own little merchandise line. I'm also obsessed with their mobile optimization. Every Squarespace template is automatically designed to look gorgeous on any device, phones, tablet, laptops, everything just works perfectly. The way your site automatically adjusts to look amazing no matter how someone views it is just so practical and so professional. Plus, their domain services are fantastic. You can register and manage your custom domain right within Squarespace, which makes everything so much simpler. No more dealing with complicated DNS settings or multiple accounts. It's all in one place. So if you want to build a beautiful website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA finds. Now moving on to storage and organization, one of the products I was so excited to see at IKEA this spring was this yellow cooler bag. This bag is so practical for picnics, camping trips, even trips to the grocery store. I just love the organization, and I love that the top compartment has pockets and elastic straps that make it easy to organize additional things you might need, such as plates and utensils. Such a practical product. And when we're talking about storage and organization, I just have to mention the new bin collection at IKEA this spring, which is the TRÖSKNING bin with lid. This bin is primarily designed for sorting dry waste like plastic, metal, paper, and glass, but I can totally see it being used to store things like gardening tools, shopping bags, and almost anything around your home. I love the neat design with the little door opening on the front, not to mention the ability to stack several boxes one on top of each other, which makes them easy to place in tight spaces. Can't wait to see if they release more sizing options in the future. Another storing solution at IKEA this spring is the DIMPA Sorting bag with lid. This spacious bag has a divider inside and is perfect for storing dry waste or laundry into different colors. I love this one so much, and I can't wait to get this for sorting my plastic bottles on the balcony. Moving on to the kitchen, there are a few new food storing solutions I just have to mention. First off, these jars with lids that come at $14.99 for a set of 6. These dry food jars are made out of acrylic and have airtight lids that preserve aromas and flavors, keeping your food fresher for longer. Love that these come in a set, and they are already on my list for my next trip to IKEA. Another one is this pack of 2 food containers with lids. These are perfect to keep your leftover food in the fridge or on the go. They are made out of glass, and I love these colors so much. Another practical new IKEA find for the kitchen is also this dish drying mat. And let me just say that IKEA has the best dish mats and drainers, period. I just love the color of this one so much, plus the fact that it can be folded and hanged on a hook by the kitchen worktop, which is just amazing. New mugs at IKEA this spring are these 2 tumblers with stripy patterns. These look so cute, and I love them so much. Also, these matching side plates in those same colors that come in a set of 2 for $4.99. Another mug that's new at IKEA this spring is this smoky glass mug. that comes at $5.99. This one comes in 2 color block options and I love both of them. An old Ikea product that was given a new look this spring is the VITTSJÖ shelving unit that now comes in this beautiful yellow color too. I love this shelf so much, and the fact that it's made out of glass and metal looks so fun yet so sleek, and I love the fact that we can now get it in this bright yellow too. Another old Ikea find that now comes in a new vibrant color is the lac wall shelf, which now comes in this bright red too. I just love how you can make a statement using this shelf, and the fact that they picked this red tone is just amazing. I was also beyond happy to see the famous Ikea BEKVÄM Step stool with a new look this spring. I mean, just look at it. I love the rubber wood and I can't wait to swap mine for this new version. I love it so much. And we're finishing off with 2 new Ikea rugs that came out this April. The first one is this stripy flat woven rug in off-white and red color. This one looks so good and it's made out of soft cotton that feels so nice and so soft on the feet. Also, this one in those same vibes, in off-white and a vivid green check pattern. I just love how this one looks and can't wait to see it in stores. And that wraps it up for today. I really hope you liked this new Ikea finds. If you did, let me know which one was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Mine was definitely the LINDBYN Mirror. I'm already thinking where I can use it in my home, so I'm definitely getting it on my next trip to Ikea. Also, I just wanted to say that so many of you are writing to me that YouTube somehow doesn't show my new videos, which is so sad. So a great way to make sure you get updated whenever I post a new video is to hit that notification bell, so make sure you do it right now to always get notified when I post every single Thursday. I also did a live a few days ago where I shared my little secret I've been keeping from all of you, so if you haven't seen it, just please make sure to watch it right now. I'll leave a link into the description box. It's not that often that I share parts of my private life with you guys, so these live sessions are just a great way to connect with all of you, and I just love doing them. And lastly, thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey buddy! You're sleeping again. You're sleeping again like a baby. Mars? Mars, are you ready to be a big brother? Are you ready to be a big brother, buddy? Are you ready? Oh my god, you're such a tired little boy. I won't even bother. I will be stuck with 2 babies. Oh, Mars. Everybody missed you in last video. So, will you open your eyes for them? Please? I love you, buddy. Bye-bye, guys. Watch the live.